Question 23. So this is a very specific question. It's about properties of aluminium. It's a very popular metal. So aluminium is used for making food container because of its good resistance to corrosion. There is a protective coating. So this is what they like to ask in paper 2. There is a protective coating of aluminium oxide. So this aluminium oxide has a formula Al3 plus O2 minus, so it's Al2O3 to prevent corrosion. And that is why you can use it to store food, because they don't corrode easily, they don't rust like iron. When you think about the Al3 plus and O2 minus, group 3 metal lose 3 electrons to get to a fully filled outer shell. Oxygen, group 6 non-metal, gain 2 electrons and therefore 2 minus charge to get to a fully filled valence shell. So the valency follow the charge and then you cross multiply and there will be 2. This means Al3 plus, 2 of them. This means O2 minus, O2 minus, O2 minus, so that you get 2 of the Al3 plus and 3 of the O2 minus for the Al2O3 formula.